Are you tired of bad audio due to lack of a microphone? Or your audio is always bad because you are recording in a noisy environment and you simply want your audio to sound like the one recorded in a professional studio with high quality mic? Right now, I'm going to be showing you the before and the after of this audio. This was how the raw audio looks like before. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. Before we proceed, if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with someone you know might need this video so that you can help someone today. I hope you have done that. So let's open your CapCut mobile app, then click on New Project. Then you are going to import the footage that you wanted to enhance the audio. So I'm going to import these two items. I have two clips imported here, but I'm going to enhance one out of the two clips I have imported here so that you can see the difference. This is the one I wanted to enhance. Tap on this clip that you wanted to enhance. After you are done typing on it, you are going to see this option below. Then you have to scroll until you see enhance voice. Then click on enhance voice. Then you are going to click on this check mark. So the processing is going to start immediately. So wait for the process to complete. As you can see, the processing is very fast. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. As you can see, with one click of a button, we are done enhancing the audio, and it does a better job by simply removing all the background noises and echo as well. If you like, you can drag the slider up to 100%, then you are done. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. Now let's see the difference between the raw video clip and the enhanced video clip. This was how the raw audio looks like before. As you can see, this one contains some background noises and echoes. Now let's see the enhanced version. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. Can you see how this one sounds like studio recorded video with a professional microphone, whereas I only use my phone without using any external mic? So this is how you can remove your YouTube video background noises and remove all echoes using CapCut. As a bonus tip, though it's optional anyway, you can adjust the volume if you like. To do that, tap on the video, then you have to scroll to this section where you see volume, then you can adjust the volume accordingly. It all depends on your personal preference. So you can adjust the volume. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. It is based on personal preference, depend on how loud you want your audio to be, and you can also decide to reduce the volume. This is how the audio looks like after it has been enhanced using CapCut. So once you are done enhancing your audio, click on export and your video clip is going to export accordingly. Let me know in the comment section below what video you want me to create next. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.